Have you ever wanted to do something, but your mind was filled with excuses? You want to work out, study, or start an important task, but you keep hesitating? Just 5 more minutes. Now is not the right time. I'll start tomorrow. If you've ever felt this way, the 5-second rule is exactly what you. This simple yet powerful technique, introduced by Mel Robbins, can change your life. How does it work? The moment you feel the urge to take action, count down from 5 to 1 and immediately move. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Why does this technique work? The countdown snaps your mind out of hesitation. It doesn't give your brain time to make excuses. It forces you to take action immediately. Want to wake up early? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get up. Want to work out? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start now. Need to study? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open the book. Want to step out of your comfort zone? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just do it. If you wait more than 5 seconds, your mind will start making excuses. Have you tried this technique? Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any motivational content. Remember, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.